Oh, well hello guys, welcome back. So for today's video, we are showing you guys these Diaper Pail refill bags. So you guys may have seen my video review before of unboxing them. So we got another set here and I just wanted to show you guys what they look like. Again, they are so nice. So we got, actually I got this pack for a family friend. So that's how much I actually like them. So they work great with your diaper pail. If you don't have a bin already, you don't need one, but they are designed to work with your basket that you have here, which just snaps and seals. Check out the listing to see which compatibility they are for their pails. Or I know our friend actually used these without a pail. They just simply open them up. So it opens like this, and you put the diapers inside the bag. Yes, it can hold 30, is that right? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, 34 bags. So it holds up to 1,020 diapers, 34 diapers per bag. So 34 diapers per bag. And you get a lot of bags, a box full of bags. You get 34 bags and you can hold 34 per bag. That's crazy. So guys, as you can see, it goes very deep and you don't have to have the pail. You can just simply stick the diapers in here and then you seal it and it closes it off and it keeps, if I can show you guys here, you seal it at the top and it stays airtight. So it's an airtight seal that way. And these are scented, so it helps mask the smell. So you just put them in every time, close it up, make sure you press all around it to seal completely. And that is how you can use them for your diapers. Now, I actually do see people use these for dog doo-doo bags as well. So they, when your dog goes to the bathroom, you just fill this up. When it's full, you throw it away. So you got multiple uses, but you can hold a lot. So we got this for a family friend because we reviewed this before. Thought, this would be a great gift.